Welcome back to Learn with Amna, the place where your English becomes smooth, simple, and confident.
If you're new here, hi. Relax, grab a cup of tea, and let's train your brain together. In this video, we'll teach you how to train your brain to think in English.
And how to train your mouth to speak English naturally.
Simple techniques,
Real examples.
and a fun English podcast vibe.
Be honest. Does your brain ever go blank when you try to speak English?
Like, you know the words, but they disappear the moment you open your mouth?
If yes, good news. Today, we are unlocking your English brain mode and activating your speaking muscles.
And how to train your mouth to speak English naturally. Let's start. Your brain becomes slow when you translate everything.
Translation is like taking the long road when there's a shortcut.
You want to say, I'm hungry. Your brain goes, native language, English.
And by the time you speak, your food is cold.
Speak small sentences in your mind while doing daily tasks. I'm opening the door. The tea smells good. I'm feeling sleepy.
These tiny moments teach your brain to think automatically in English.
Do you translate in your head? Comment yes if you do.
Quick break. If you're enjoying this podcast,
Hit like right now and subscribe to Learn with Amna.
your support helps this channel grow.
You know English sounds are different from many languages.
Your mouth needs practice, like the gym.
Try saying this fast. Really, really ready.
If your mouth gets confused, don't worry. That means it's learning.
Practice these sounds daily. R. Red, right, around. Th. Think, thankful, thought. L. Love, like, little.
After 10 days, your mouth will feel more English flexible.
Which sound is difficult for you? R, Th, or L? Tell us below.
You don't need perfect English.
You need fast English.
Someone says, "How's your day?" Your brain loading, buffering,
And the moment is gone.
like, "Yeah, totally." "Oh, really? That's interesting. Let me think." "I'm good, thanks."
These quick phrases make your English smooth. Good speakers are good listeners.
Because your brain copies what it hears.
5 minutes. Listen to anything English.
5 minutes, speak the ideas in your words.
Not perfect English.
Just English.
Many people speak English in their rooms.
But freeze in real life.
Here's the truth. Nobody cares about your mistakes.
They care about your message.
I once said, I cooking am.
And the person still understood.
Confidence greater than grammar.
No need for 1-hour study sessions.
Just 10 minutes is enough. 2-minute mouth workout. 3 minutes thinking in English. 3 minutes listening. 2 minutes speaking out loud.
Small steps, big fluency.
Today we trained your brain,
Your mouth.
your reaction speed.
And your confidence.
You're on the right path.
Colon. If you learned something today, share this video with a friend.
And comment, I will train daily.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Learn with Amna.
Goodbye.